fast cold start. Going everybody. Today I am headed to Trevor's house. We're gonna go out to, I think, Medina Lake, possibly Canyon, and we're gonna test out the JON boat and take his other boat for a rip. It's gonna be a good day. So we're leaving O'Reilly's. We had to get a fuse for the starter. Check out this dude's welder. That thing puts my handy make to shame. Set up. So I'm here with Trevor.
You know, we forgot the adapter, of course. At least we make it look like we plugged in, you know, like,
yeah,
good enough, right?
Good enough. That'll work. That'll make it down the road. Check this rig out. Yamaha 752 stroke. Prop shaft. All welded up. Straight ripper. This thing eats. Let's get on the road and go to Canyon, dude.
All right, let's do it.
We got the boat, we got gas, we got fuses, we got earplugs. We're gonna get some breakfast. I'll see you guys on the water. So while we were running, the steering bracket broke off the frame, but that's okay. We had a bungee cord and a couple crescent wrenches. She's good to go, man.
Mint, dude.
Frickin' mint.
All right, we're gonna have a quick drag race here.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, we got him off the line! All right, wide open, go, 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 wide open. Yeah! When in doubt,
Strap it out.
toe strap. Strap it out. Look at that. Rigged up crescent wrench. She ain't going nowhere. Old Cito is a firefighter. Got off shift this morning. Sleeping on the rocks. True hero. Look how pretty it is out here. So peaceful and quiet. Fly fishing, sleeping in the rocks, having a good time. What happened, dude?
Yeah, before it happened.
Fucking mint, brother. So originally just this weld broke right there. And so we put a big crescent wrench in here, ratchet strap at the top, and then put another ratchet strap on the bottom right there to pull it tight. And at the time, this weld down here, let me go to the other side. At the time, this weld was still good. And then that broke too. So then once all that was busted up, towed her back on the dock. We've also got a little leak going on here. It's just a small leak. Nothing too bad. We got some work to do, but hey, that's how projects go. We'll get her fixed up, take it back out for another rip. Got the adapter out of the other boat. So we're legal. She's actually plugged in this time. How about that? Well, the Yamaha is gone, sold to a new owner. But what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do with that money, Trevor?
So these proceeds are going to the old 7.3 Power Stroke in the Bronco. So that's how that's gonna happen. So start of a new era. I mean, I had a lot of fun with that boat. Had some good times, but time for some more good times.
We're gonna take Trevor's white 93 Bronco, and we're gonna swap the whole drivetrain and axles out of a 7.3 Power Stroke.
It's a 1995 manual ZF5 four-wheel drive F250.
5-speed 7.3 turbo diesel Bronco. That's gonna be sick. Here's that 93 Bronco that we're gonna do the 7.3 swap in. Right now it's just got a 5.0 with an E4OD. So we'll be putting in the 7.3 Power Stroke with that 5-speed trans. It'll be pretty sick. That's about a wrap for us today. We got the boat dropped off. We're gonna bring it back out in a few weeks to fix the steering linkage. And that's about it. See you guys later.